Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Network Services for Cisco CCNA Studies. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building and managing enterprise networks and teaching people about them. There are a tremendous number of protocols used to build a network, and most of these protocols are required to allow a network to pass traffic. However, in order for an engineer to maintain a quality and highly available network, we need additional protocols to help manage the network itself. In this course, we will examine HSRP or Hot Standby Router Protocol, QoS or Quality of Service, and SNMP or Simple Network Management Protocol. By the end of this course, you will be able to implement a redundant default gateway using HSRP, understand why QoS is used in networks, and understand the value of SNMP. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the information provided in the previous courses in the CCNA learning path. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about protocols used to manage the network with the Network Services for Cisco CCNA Studies course at Pluralsight.